Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Kwilt3. They did send me this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, do your shopping from there. Here's its nice retail packaging. It's got a great box, excellent product photography and design and layout. We're showing a 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor, USB 3.0, supports Wi-Fi 5 gigahertz networks as well. Basically, with this device, you will never have to pay for cloud storage again. This is your very own personal cloud storage. And what makes this device unique is that you can plug in multiple USB external drives and SD cards to this device so you can add expandable storage, and basically your cloud storage is limitless. It's only limited by how much you have to plug into it. So really pumped for this. Works with Windows and Mac. Also works with Android and iOS devices as well. Let's go ahead now and open it up. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a nice patch cord. Then we have an HDMI cable. Your included power supply with multiple country options right here for you. You have a 32 gigabyte USB flash drive. A really phenomenal setup guide right here, complete with QR codes and diagrams in multiple languages for you. Safety and warranty information. And then last but not least, the Kwilt3 itself that looks really nice. Love this rubber coat finish on the top. You can see their really cool logo there. Let's look at the input ports right here. We got an SD card and a USB. Then we have two more USB right here on that side with the USB 3.0. Then on this side, we have another USB to use, two audio ports. We have your HDMI port, your Ethernet port, and your 5-volt power supply port as well. Now let's go ahead, let's plug this in and go to the iOS or Android store, download the Kwilt app on your phone, sign in and create an account, and then let's go ahead and finish setup. So we're back here now with the Kwilt device plugged in. We're at the home screen of the Kwilt app right here. We need to go to the top left-hand corner and select that K icon and select set up a new Kwilt device. Then we need to select the first choice we have, which is set up a new Kwilt device. We need to ensure that it's been plugged in for more than 5 minutes so it's had time to set up its own Wi-Fi network that we can connect to. Select got it, then it's going to scan for that network for us. Your mobile device wants to join the Kwilt network. Let's go ahead and join. Now it's going to set up and connect to that network. There we go. It just found our network right here. Make sure if you have the Kwilt Mini or the K2 that you select a 2.4 gigahertz network for setup. We're going to go ahead and select our 2.4 gigahertz network for setup too. So select it and enter your password, then hit connect. Now it's asking us if it can join that network, and we select join. All right, now we can select the Kwilt device that we want to connect from the list below. So there it is. We have it selected. We hit next. Now we can name it. I'm going to leave it what it is. We can enter a password here as well. So go ahead, enter a password. Congratulations, everything was set up successfully, and now it's been added as a source. So here we go. We're back on the home screen now. We can go over to our settings. We can view all sources. Here's the Kwilt right here. So let's go ahead and select it. Would you like to reboot your Kwilt device now? We'll go ahead and click yes. It's going to update for us. Now that the device has successfully been set up, we can go select this little settings tab right there, and we can view more details about it. Its name, its PC Mac access settings, network settings, and system settings, all from within this tab. I also have this Western Digital My Passport Go 500 gigabyte SSD external hard drive that we're going to plug into the USB 3.0 port to see what it's like to view these files on our mobile device. So just going to plug it in right there like so. So with the external hard drive plugged in, I actually had to exit out of the app and open it back up for everything to refresh because I turned my Google Photos setting off, and then we just have the Kwilt device with the external drive plugged in. You can see the two files right here. So the first one I have is an image I took, which is cool. So there it is. Looks pretty good right there. So we can see in the top right hand corner we have info right here, tags, geolocation, camera info as well, showing you it's a Google Pixel 3a. A lot of different options right there, the file size and everything. Then we have this little play on Kwilt as well option. And then at the bottom we have this save to device, order prints, create shared link, more. So then we have all these options from our phone that we can do to share this with anybody we want to view it, which is really neat. Then we have this video right here as well too. Let's see if we can play it from our phone. So it's my opening intro and it works great. Look at that quality right there. That's really cool. Everything is working just like it should. Same thing in the top right hand corner. We have all these different options, tags. We have camera info right here, geolocation, and anything else we want for it. So that looks really neat. Then we have the play on Kwilt as well too, if we wanted to connect the Kwilt to a television and play this video. So that is really cool, guys. It's a great feature. I want to show you in that top corner again, we have a couple different options now too. We can copy from our phone to the Kwilt. We can copy from an SD card to the Kwilt, and we can browse the Kwilt device file system. We can set preferences and we can manage Kwilt devices. So let's look at this browse feature really quick. So we could select our source right here, and then it's showing you, we got the Western Digital partition right here. So that's awesome. There it is. We could select it. So we have some Western Digital stuff right here we can see. And then we have the files that we can view, the JPEG and the MP4. So we could select one of these, and there it is. Just for fun, let's select one that we know we can't open, and that's it. So that's pretty cool. Maybe we can still share it. So it looks like we can still share the file, which is neat. So that's cool. And there's a lost folder as well. So we can browse everything just like that. And then we can also set copy preferences. So we could copy photos, videos, use cellular data when there is no Wi-Fi, skip previously copied files, automatic copy, copy destination. We can change that too. Right now it would be on the Western Digital drive. So you can back up all your photos and not have to worry about that again, and then you can choose if you want it on or off of cellular data. Or you could just say, I just want to back up my videos, not my photos, that sort of thing. You can do it all right from within the app. Then we can manage Kwilt devices right here. So we can go in, we can see everything, get back to the system settings to control anything else that we want. Also want to show you guys really quick the different grid and ways we can display the media. So first mode is the grid mode. Then we have timeline. Then we have GPS location. Then we have cloud based off of the media source that it's in. And then we have search functionality, which is pretty sweet. Also got that camera icon right there where we could record a photo or a video using the app as well. I'm really impressed with this device. It's really cool. If you're interested in this option to build your own personal cloud and not have to worry about paying a monthly fee ever again, be sure to consider this, and be sure to check out the link in my video description below. I really appreciate you guys being here. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel. I can't do this without you guys being here, watching and supporting my content. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns. I'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. Follow me on social media as well, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message me on WeChat. Check out my website and join my free newsletter. Thank you guys so much. I have new content coming out daily, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks.